Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West clothing subscription unboxing, and the package is really heavy this month, and I'm excited to see what's inside. You do get a label that has all your items in the description, how much they cost, so that you know. Got 3 bundles. There's also a shipping label inside in case you want to return anything. Put it back in the bag, add the shipping label, and then they don't charge you for it. So let's take a look. Ooh, sunglasses. So typically we get like earrings, necklace, bracelet, and sometimes they throw in accessories. We have some sunglasses in a little case that has lemons on it. And that's what those look like, just all black. It's like a smooth black. I'll definitely wear those. Also have, looks like some leggings. And I'll insert pictures of these at the end of the video. Typically don't do a try on just because normally I don't have makeup on and I'm just not ready and don't feel like showing that on camera, but I will insert full pictures so you can get a better view of them. Ooh, these are kind of crazy, but I like them. Kind of remind me of like MC Hammer pants from the 90s. Oh my gosh. And they're tapered down. They're really soft though. But yeah, those are a little wild. Yolette leg wear. And then the last one in that bundle is a top that's red and black, has a large flower print. That too is a little wild. I'm not sure that that's something that I would wear, but we still have a couple under other bundles, so we'll see what's inside those. Let's open this one next. There's the jewelry and a few more. I think that's the same brand as those pants back there. Now this is actually really cute. Has lines going across and then they kind of like change direction on the sides. It's a nice flowy top. Love the color. This is definitely something I would wear. Very pretty. Another pair of gray pants. These ones are pretty baggy though. They have a high waistband, super soft. Have that. And then our jewelry. So here is the necklace, all silver. Kind of a layered look. Then some earrings. Tag on there. Those are cute. Some rose gold earrings. And a bracelet. Silver cuff bracelet. Pretty nice. Let's see if it fits my wrist. I have pretty small wrists, so I normally don't have an issue with that. So that's what that looks like. So based on the little inventory sheet, it looks like there's a dress in here and a top. So this mustard color is a sleeveless top. A little bit of a turtleneck or higher collar. And it has a little band at the bottom, very soft again. And then this dress. This one is very large and oversized. And it has pockets. A lot of the dresses that they send have pockets, which I love. Love that in a dress. And again, super soft. So I'll go ahead and insert some pictures if you guys want to try Nadine West. They do have a promo code. So I'll link all the information below and a playlist in case you want to see previous months. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.